Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to put on a Dodge Charger bumper. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool, a socket set, and a T25 Torx bit. Make sure your new bumper cover is perfectly clean and ready for installation. Always park your Charger on a level surface and engage the parking brake to ensure a safe working environment. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth and efficient installation process, saving you time and effort later on. Next, if you're replacing an old bumper, carefully remove any remaining clips, bolts, or screws from the vehicle's frame. This ensures a clean mounting surface for your new bumper. Before securing anything, perform a test fit of the new bumper cover. This allows you to identify and address any potential alignment issues with the headlights or fender edges. A good initial fitment will prevent headaches and ensure a professional finish, making the final steps much easier. Now it's time to secure the bumper cover to your Dodge Charger. Begin by aligning the top edge of the bumper with the vehicle's frame, especially around the headlights. Use the designated mounting points and hardware, typically a combination of clips and bolts. Work your way around, securing the sides and bottom. Make sure all fasteners are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. This step is vital for the bumper's stability and appearance, ensuring it stays firmly in place. Finally, perform a thorough double check of all connections and fasteners to confirm everything is tight and secure. Reinstall any components you might have removed, such as fog lights or grills, into the new bumper cover. Take a moment to clean the newly installed bumper, giving it a polished and professional appearance. This final inspection ensures your Dodge Charger's bumper is perfectly installed, ready for the road, and looking its absolute best.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.